Okay, hello students. In chemistry, today we discuss the Mendeleev periodic table. Important contribution of Mendeleev periodic table. On the basis of atomic mass and periodic property, Mendeleev classified the element in various groups. That classification is known as Mendeleev periodic table. Importance contribution is classified into total 4 types of contributions are there. First one, systematic study of element. Study of element is possible with the help of this Mendeleev classification. Second, correction of atomic mass means if atomic mass is wrong, then we can correct the atomic mass of particular element in the periodic table. Third one, prediction of new element. Prediction of new element means if the property of particular new element is discovered, then where to put this element in the periodic table. Empty space of undiscovered element. Empty space is there in this periodic table, means particular element is not discovered, then empty space are there in the element. And when in modern age this element are discovered, then this element is kept in this periodic table. One by one we discuss this importance. First important is the systematic study of the element. Systematic study of the element in that. Systematic study means particular one element we want to study. Then from the position in the periodic table we can find its property, how it's behave, what is its reactivity, what is its radius, what is its mass, that all property can be studied. Simplify the study of chemistry of that. So in simple way we can study the property of element. Second, knowing the property of one element in the group, the property of the other element can be guessed or can be predicted. We can predict the property of the other element. Or same property, same group, that's all. Thus it will become very useful in studying and remembering the property of larger group of element. So larger group of element, then we have classified depending upon the property. So that is the first importance, that is systematic study of the element. Second, we discussed that is correction of atomic mass. How correction of atomic mass can be done with the help of this Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, second importance, that is correction of atomic mass. Correction of atomic mass can be done with the help of this Mendeleev periodic table. The Mendeleev periodic table helps in correcting the atomic mass of some of the element based upon their position in the table. From the position we can find the atomic mass of particular element. For example, the mass of beryllium was corrected from 13.5 to 9. First previously it is 13.5. Then it is corrected to 9 EM. Similarly, with the help of this table, atomic mass of indium, gold and platinum were corrected. So correction in the mass can be done with the help of this Mendeleev periodic table. See, prediction of new element. Prediction of new element or discovery of new element, where to put and what will be its position, can be helpful by following the Mendeleev periodic table. At the time of Mendeleev, only 56 elements were discovered. So elements are very less discovered at the time of Mendeleev. Only 56 is there. He left some space that is known as gap in the periodic table. These gaps are represents the undiscovered elements. Undiscovered elements means what? The element which are not found. Mendeleev predict the property of that undiscovered, whatever may be the element, but its property, physical and chemical property can be found with the help of this periodic table. In modern periodic table, these gaps are filled with the new elements whose property is similar to the above elements. Next one, the empty space for undiscovered element. The empty space for undiscovered element, name is not given, but some nickname is given by Mendeleev. As for example, suppose boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, helium. Okay, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, helium. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. You remember the groups and its element in vertical, boron family and carbon family. This aluminium and silicon, okay, aluminium and silicon are discovered, but below these elements are not discovered by Mendeleev. So he put the empty space over there. He gave the name. This gallium is below aluminium, so its name is given Eka aluminium. Okay, Eka aluminium. Similarly, silicon below aluminium, that is known as Eka silicon. He put empty space and name is given that below aluminium. Eka means what below? Below aluminium and below silicon. Then after discovery, that aluminium element is discovered, that is known as gallium. And Eka silicon is nothing but it is germanium. So in this periodic table is very helpful to give the particular name of particular element and where to put. That idea can be get with the help of this Mendeleev periodic table. So these are the 4 important contributions of Mendeleev for periodic table or classification of element in a particular groups. Okay, try to write this in your notebook. Next time we discuss the modern periodic